Quick video to show you how to change from kilometers per hour to miles per hour on a Richbit top 0-12 fat bike. So from being on, we take these three buttons, push them all at the same time and hold them in. Until your PSD menu turns up. Then, using the plus or minus key, you want to take it to PSD 78. And then push the little silver spanner. Keep pushing the spanner until you get to UN, which is your unit of measure. There's only two different values on here, which is 0, 0 and 0, 1. Take it to the 0, 1 and then hold down the three buttons again. And there you have it, miles per hour.